Hello guys, welcome back. In this section we are going to upload our project to Heroku again. Let's update the online environment to see our new version of our new project online running on Heroku. Okay? So if we go here to our PyCharm and we stop the server and we do git status, we can see all the files that we modificate. So we modificate settings, model, clients, confirm. We have a new migration file. Okay, so we do git add dot git commit minus m your comment. So styling with bootstrap. Okay, and then we do git push Heroku master. Okay, and then it will upload the source code to Heroku, will detect the Python app, install the Python version, install all the requirements, install it a new requirement bootstrap form, collect the static files, compressing and everything, detected the Python type of application by the proc file, and here we go. We have the application online already. So we still need to do a few things. One of them is this guy here, Heroku run Python make migration. Okay, so we are going to make migrations online inside the Heroku environment. So it's running, and then when we finish the migration, the make migrations, we do migrate. It will effectively execute the modifications into the Postgres database. Okay, it's applying. Excellent. So let's go to our browser and refresh the page. So here we are, refresh the page. Okay, so it is working fine, guys. Let's go from the very beginning. So go to logout and login. I will log in as admin. We'll have the grid. Let's create a new client. I'll add myself and my email, my fake email, my photo. Okay, date of birth. Probably need to create a new ID. So let me refresh here as well. My computer gets a little bit slow when I'm recording, but it's not a Heroku for. Oh, actually, it's a wrong application. It's an old application that I did in my Portuguese course. So admin. Let me add a new ID. So add a new ID. Okay, and save. If I go back here now and I try to save again, it will complain, but it will come back with the new object in the list. Okay, here we go. So now it's saving. Okay, we can have a look on the edit page. Let's edit a file, client, sorry. Click save. Oh, excellent, it's working correctly. And we can test the delete a confirmation is styled as well. That bug was solved. So is everything working perfectly? Okay, guys, excellent. So that's the workflow, how you can put your application online and how you can release a new version. Basically, you do whatever you need to do in the code, test in your local environment, do git add, git commit, push Heroku, Git-push Heroku, run the make migrations and the migrate, and that's it. 4 straightforward steps and you will have your application up online and running. Okay guys, oh excellent for this class. I hope you got the same result in your machine. Execute all these steps exactly as I did in this class. But if for some reason you had any problem, please left your comment here that I'm going to help you. Okay, I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.